Hello friends, I am going to start illustration number 26 of leverage analysis, CMA Inter Group 2nd Financial Management. Okay, please read the questions here. Look at it. Illustration number 26. Calculate the degree of operating leverage, degree of financial leverage, and degree of combined leverage for the following forms and interpret the results. As we know that degree of operating leverage, this is a contribution upon EBIT, and degree of financial leverage is EBIT upon EBT. Degree of combined leverage, degree of operating leverage into degree of financial leverage. Now we have to apply these three to make a degree of financial leverage, degree of operating leverage to degree of combined leverage to find the value of this. Okay, in this case, if we continue this information, we can find out the solution here. First, you write sales revenue. Sales unit 60,000 and selling price this. So this is 60,000, 60, that is the 36,000. 15,000 at the rate of 5. This is 75,000. 1 lakh at the rate of rupees 10. At the rate of rupees 0.10. This is 1 lakh, 10,000. Less variable cost. Variable cost per unit is given 0.20. So 60,000 0.20. This is a 12,000. And 15,000 1.5. This is 22,500. 1 lakh 0.02. This is a 2,000. Here we have contribution. Contribution is 24,000. Contribution is 75,000 minus 22,500. This is 52,500. This is 8,000. Less fixed cost. Fixed cost is given here, that is 7,000. You write here 7,000. This is a 14,000 and this is a 15,000. After fixed cost, it is the EBIT. EBIT 24,000 minus 7,000. This is 17. 24,000, that is the 17,000 minus 14,000 here, 38,500. This is a 6,500. Less interest. It is given 4,000. You write here 4,000. It is given 8,000. You write here 8,000. Here is no interest. Now, earning before tax. This is 13,000. This is 30,500. This is 65,000. This is your income statement. Now we have to calculate degree of operating leverage, that is the contribution upon EBIT. Contribution is 24,000 and EBIT is just 17,000. 24,000 divided by 17,000. Now this is contribution of 52,500 divided by 38,500. 38,500. 52,500 divide this 1.36. 1.36. 1.36. In this case, this is the 8,000. 8,000 divided by 6,500. 8,000 divided by 6,500. This is 1.23. 1.23. Okay. This is the degree of 24,000 divided by 17,000. This is the 1.41. Here, this is the 1.41. This is the degree of operating leverage. Now, degree of financial leverage, the formula is EBIT divided by EBT. EBT. EBIT, this is a 17,000 divided by EBT. EBT is a 13,000. Here EBIT is a 38,500. This is divided by 30,500. This is 6,500 divided by 6,500. This is equal to 1. 38,500 divided by 30,500. Answer is 1.26. This is the 1.26. 17,000 divided by 13,000. This is 1.307. That is 1.31. This is your degree of financial leverage. Now, degree of combined leverage. Degree of operating leverage into degree of financial leverage. 1.41 into 1.31. 1.36 into 1.26. 1.23 into 1. That this is the 1.23. 1.36 into 1.26. Look at it. 1.71. This is a 1.71. 1.41 into 1.31. 1.41 into 1.31. This is 1.84. 1.847. 1.847. In this case, the company having higher fixed cost as well as higher interest. Higher fixed cost increase operating leverage, higher interest increase financial leverage. Here total combined leverage is higher. In this is L has a lower fixed cost than fixed cost. For fixed cost 14,000 and interest is also 8,000. This is the 1.71. In the case of form M, it has a fixed cost is 1,500 and no interest. It has a lower operating leverage as well as lower interest, lower degree of financial leverage. That's why total combined leverage is lower. And form K has a higher fixed cost. That's why higher degree of operating leverage, higher interest. That's why higher degree of financial leverage. Therefore, higher degree of combined leverage. Okay. Now look at here. 1.85, 1.72, 1.23. We have calculated the same answer here. 1.847, 1.81, 1.23. Okay. This is the answer. Now, what is the interpretation? High operating leverage combined with the high financial leverage represent the risk situations. Low operating leverage combined with the low financial leverage will be causing ideal situations. Therefore, form M as a risky, less risky because it has a low fixed cost and low interest, consequently low combined leverage. Okay, beta. In this way, we have completed these questions. Okay, thank you, class.